Next, we want to trace this as a pattern. We will select the transform pattern tool and click one on this back pattern here. After that, I will switch the tool to trace tool here, then press on shift and then click one on this hem here and this center line and right click, and we want to select trace as a pattern, and I'm going to click one right here to place. Okay, next we want to make a copy. Simply switch the tool to transform pattern tool, click on that pattern, right click, and we want to select the symmetric pattern with sewing, and let's press on shift and then click one right here to place the pattern. After that, click one on that pattern, right click, we want to remove link editing. And once again, I'm going to use this transform pattern tool, click on that internal line right there, press on the delete or backspace on the keyboard to delete, and right here, I'm going to click on right there. And this time, right click, and we want to select cut. And let's remove the part we don't need. And right here, we want to adjust this point. Simply use the edit pattern tool, click on that point and delete it. And we want to convert it back to curve point. Simply use this edit curvature tool, click and then drag it in until it's touched that point right there. That is perfect.